Welcome to the Puffer Fam. My name's Jasmyn, and this is my friend Malaya. Hi. We're going to be teaching you how to make fluffy slime today. We're back and we're making the fluffy slime. And so this is all the stuff you'll need. You need Elmer's washable, just white, regular school glue. Then you need any kind of shaving cream works. And we decided to make our smell good. So we got fluffy hand soap.
And then you'll need a bowl, some hot water and you take a spoonful of borax, put it in there so it'll dissolve.
You gotta mix it a lot.
Yeah. Stir it till all of it dissolves.
Is it dissolved?
It's pretty much, yeah, it is.
Okay, so we're gonna put the glue in there right now. And you do the whole thing. Yeah. Cringy. She said I can see you in the bowl. I keep looking at your face. Looking at your face.
Once all that's out, then you can add the borax in the warm water.
Yeah. Don't pour too much.
Okay, and then while I pour it, add a little bit at a time. And that, stir it.
Well, I am.
Yeah, and it's
Oh.
And then we're gonna add some.
No, don't add more yet. Why is it like it again?
It's slime. Because you have to add more.
Go. No! It's too much.
No, it's not. See? Then, now we're going to add, once it comes together, yeah, because you have to pour this in. Alright, you have to put this in. It's weird feeling. Now we're going to pour some shaving cream in.
Here.
And then we're going to pour some shaving cream in and mix it together.
Why are we both mixing the same
I
one?
don't know. Pour.
Ew, it's so messed up.
Then we're going to mix it all together.
It's not right.
And then we're going to,
I can't do it right.
and then we're going to put some hand soap
Put it
in with it.
You can
Right?
go first.
Okay. Oh, just pump it out.
I do.
Pump some hand soap in there.
Oh my god.
Smells pretty good.
It's messed up.
Put less shaving cream. Then it'll all come together. It'll all come together.
It's like a piece of paper towel. It looks like organs.
Some white organs.
No, it's like paper towel.
Don't get it on me. What are you doing?
Taking your...
And it came together pretty well.
We cannot make this right. What is this?
Well, fast forward, fast
So this is obviously how you don't make slime.
Yeah. This is a great
It looks like I'm
example
playing with
of how to not make it. Because if you add too much shaving cream,
It's because we added the borax and it wasn't all dissolved, right? So it messed it up. Because look, there's still the grains.
and we added too much shaving cream, so it all fell apart. So, yeah.